Alright, we are live. Am I? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Mic check, just la la la. Yes, we're good. We're good. Hey, Lloyd and John Vito and Emily. Look, it's a party already. So, playing something different for a change. If you had to ask me what my childhood was, it was this game. Adventure Island 1, 2 and 3, but I mastered 3 when I was a kid. I wonder if I'm still as good as I was back in the day, so I want to find out. This game runs at 60 frames per second. Yeah, baby! I know, right? So yeah, I want to see if I'm still good at this. But yeah, for some people it was Legend of Zelda, for some people it was Super Mario. For me it was this game. This game was everything, and I think this game is the reason why I still love side-scrollers to this day, you know? So yeah, let's see if I still got... I'm going to play without continues, so we're gonna see how far I'm gonna get without any continues, alright? It's gonna be interesting. So anyway, let's go. Let's see if I still remember the secrets as well. Look at me, I'm a boss. You know, this game's not gonna give me enough room. There we go, first secret. It's not gonna give me enough room to look at chat because this game is very, you know, active. Oh, this is very slippery, I need to be careful. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah, I still got it, baby! I still got it! Whoa, whoa. No! I don't got it. I kinked him! Hello! Kinked him! This game is my childhood. There we go. Boom! First level down. It had great music. It really did have great music. I still got it. I don't still got it. So, basically what you do is when you collect stuff, like weapons and stuff, you can store them here. And you can pick them up later at later stages, because for the time being, the game is going to be very generous with what's that, an axe? With the axes and the boomerangs and the dinosaurs. It's going to be very generous, but later in the game, it's not going to be so generous. So it's better to start storing in this inventory in the beginning. Yeah, for the time being, I don't have a weapon because I stored it, but that's okay. And now I have a boomerang. I hate the boomerang really, but whatever. But it destroys rocks. The axe doesn't do that. And now we got our first dinosaur. I know all the secrets of this game. Oops. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's too early to start messing up. Alright, I got a crystal at least. Do I skip the level? No. Because we go to a harder one if we skip it, so let's just not skip the level. There we go. So since I finished the level with the dinosaur, now I get to keep it. And again, I'm gonna store it. I'm gonna store everything. If Danica shows up in the stream, she's gonna love this. You see, the axe doesn't destroy rocks. Or stones, whatever. Uh-oh, I don't like this. I'm a boss. Second dinosaur, I hope I can make that. This dinosaur is awkward to control. Must be something here. I know it! I think I created a monster. My son keeps asking to play. World of Warcraft, you mean? Oh man, these bonuses are so tough. I used to be a pro at these, but not anymore. For every 2,000 points that I collect, no, it's not 2,000, 20,000. For every 20,000 I get a life, and every 100 fruit I get a life as well. So, again, storing everything. I'm about to get 2 lives here, I think. Because I'm approaching the 100th fruit and the 20,000 points. World of War. Oh my goodness. I never played that game in my life, ever. It's too time consuming, I heard, so I don't have enough time. I already waste a lot of time playing games over and over again. Like Minecraft and at least I'm not playing Minecraft as much. Oh crap, this guy. There we go. The aim. The aim. There we go, we got a life because we exceeded 100,000 points. And as soon as we hit another couple of fruits, we're gonna get another, I think. Are we gonna get it? We didn't, but that's fine. Hey, Toby! Toby, I'm playing something different for a change. I know it's not like everyone's like, what's this? What is this? But I don't know. It's a nice change. This is not gonna be a regular thing, you know? So, once again, nothing. I'm storing everything for the time being. There's gonna be a... I'm not so sure if there's gonna be a skateboard here. Do you guys know the origins of the story? No, there's not gonna be a... Oh yeah, I know. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna speedrun this level. Here we go. 1, 2. I'm gonna speedrun. That egg is poisonous. Alright, not so... I love this. I love speedrunning this. There we go. Boom! Nice. 5 lives so far. Boss fight. Boom. Not so sure if I should... Now I'm gonna go with... let's go. Hey, Beef, I don't think I said hi to you. I'm sorry. I didn't, did I? Didn't I? It was your birthday! Oh no! Yeah, the way I see it is our birthday is every day. We get older every day. I'm sure there was something here. No? Maybe here? There we go. How old did you turn? Choose an egg. Okay. 1 up! Nice! 6 lives. 6 lives. So far, no deaths. Oh man, there was a life in here as well. God dang it, I missed it. And I don't like this dinosaur. This dinosaur is awkward, especially for the next boss. In fact, I'm gonna lose the dinosaur on purpose. No! No! No, that's fine. You turned 12. Oh, you're so young. You're so young. Alright. I'm gonna go with this. I died. But that's fine. I can claim my life back, actually. It's not a problem at all. It's not a problem at all. Actually, I get to do the choose an egg again. And I might get another life. Who knows? Let's see. Alright, you guys tell me actually which one I should go for. Come on. Whoever says it first, actually. Whoever says it first. Left, right, or middle? Quickly. Quickly, 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 quickly. Can you die here? Doesn't look like it. No, you don't, actually. Whoever says it first. Whoever says it first wins. Which egg should I go for? Middle. Boom. Yeah, well, at least I refueled my health. You see, there was a life there. I knew it. And now I changed my dinosaur. And I'm gonna be careful again now. I need to lose this dinosaur. Alright, here we go. It's better this way. It's better this way. Squirtle, Squirtle! Shadow form myself. So, what's the origin story? You are about to the last vlog. The origin story? My goodness, I already forgot. I already forgot! What was I saying? Look at this. Look at this. Look how long it's gonna take me to defeat this boss. The origins. I forgot what I was gonna say. The origin story. It sounds familiar. It's like something I was gonna say, but I ramble so much that I forget what was I gonna say. The origin story. What was I saying? I have no idea. I have no idea. So, here we go. Here we go. Boomerang. Ah, it's not good. No problem. No problem. No problem. We're good. We're good. We're good. There we go. Another life. Ah, I cannot do this. I should have come with a... Not good. Ah, whatever. There we go. Oh, by the way, the dinosaurs all have special abilities. Like, for example, the red dinosaur, as you could see, he swims through lava. The blue one can actually walk on ice without slipping. I like that. Let's go. Oh, I love this level. I'm gonna speedrun this. Look at this, look at this. Here we go. I think there's another secret here somewhere. There we go. Ooh, look at all the goodies! These dinosaurs are gonna come very handy later in the game. There we go. Let's go back to the level. I'm not gonna skip it now. And I think there's another secret here. Hold on. There we go. So good. I'm so good at this game! Alright, now I need to use the blue dinosaur because it's on ice, so I don't want to get slippery. You see? That's how it goes. I'm sure there's another secret here somewhere. Gideon. Hello. There we go. This is it. I'm not so sure what the secret is though. Would you like to skip this island? Yes. Let's go. So we're skipping the entire island now. Yeah, I love this retro game so much. This is my childhood. This is my childhood. So, this is a very boring level, so I'm gonna try to make it exciting. I only have one of these dinosaurs though. I'm gonna use this one then. No, we're not gonna turn into a retro gaming channel. But every now and then, I like to revisit one of my... Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was gonna say I haven't died once, but yeah, I have died once. Hold on, there's something here. No, I thought there was a secret. No. I was a master at this game when I was a kid, but I don't think I still got it. Ooh! Alright, here we go. No! Ah, I missed it. There was the egg. There was an egg there. I missed it. No, never mind. Never mind. You've never seen this? Wow. This is the why I love side scrollers so much. This game right here. Alright, another ice level. There must be another level here somewhere. There we go. Namco. Oh yeah. Alright, let's see if I got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whoa! Nice! Oh! No way! Nice! Perfect! Nice. I'm proud of myself. Alright, now there's gonna be another. Let's go. I always like to gamble with the last one. Oof, that was close. Alright. Yeah, the PS2 collection, Namco, yeah, the Pac-Man and the Galaga. I don't have it, but I mean, I can have it anytime, really. Alright, so, this is the best dinosaur for this level. I'm sure there's another trick here somewhere. Ooh! So, no! No! Oh, I'm getting cocky, I am. I need to be careful. I lost a dinosaur and a life. I cannot have that. No, again! That's not good. That's not good! Oh! I promised myself only one life, and wow, this dinosaur. I'm running out of this dinosaur. I should have gone with the other one. But this is easy for platform. No! 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 Oh my goodness! Oh man, I ran out of those dinosaurs. Okay, let's go with this one. Actually, you know what? I don't deserve a dinosaur. Let's go like this. Let's go naked. Ah, crap. These guys don't die with the regular arrow. With the... That's okay. Oh, really? With the skateboard? Sure. Come on. Challenge accepted. Oh! That didn't last long. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be... Oh, man. Nice, huh? I'm getting cocky. I'm getting cocky. That's what it is. That's what it is. I'm getting cocky. Oh my goodness. I kid you not. This is unbelievable. My goodness. I feel like... You know what? Not I feel like. I'm gonna restart the whole game. I'm gonna restart the whole... Because it's unbelievable. No. No, I'm sorry. I'm gonna start over. This is the story, basically. Edna, hello! How are you? Let's go again. One. No continues. No continues. Let's go again. Till I get the hang of it. I haven't played this game in ages, so it's understandable. And there will be no more resets. This is it. This is it. Let's do this. With the surfboard and stuff. This is not easy, huh? You have to time the jump perfectly. Ooh, nice. Up, plop. It's very slippery. Oh yeah, I was gonna say the origins of the game, actually. I remembered what I was gonna say, yes. I finally remembered. The origins of the game. Does anybody know the origins of this game? That's what I was gonna say. The origins of this game. This game started out as Wonder Boy for the Sega. It was for the arcade. It was such a great version. But what happened is, basically, they sold the rights or something. Or I don't know exactly what the story is, but I know that Hudson Soft owned... I don't know how it is. I need to read about this again. But basically, there was two versions of the same game, owned by different companies. So what they did is they had to change them a little bit. And the original one was without a baseball cap. And he had blonde hair. What? Oh, I was reading comments and I missed out on most of everything. I'm like, what is he talking about? Halloween costume? What? What are you talking about, man? I was looking at chat and they were about to vanish. That's not good. Let's go. I need to ignore chat. I'm sorry. Why am I shooting? These guys, when I could walk through them, you know, playing worse now. Let's go. There must be something here. Oh, can I do this? This is one of the harder ones. Oh my goodness, I'm doing it. No way. I'm doing this. Oh my goodness, I did it! I can't believe I did this. Let's go. I'm about to hit 5 lives very soon. These guys have a very weird pattern, how they float around. Look, it's hard sometimes to predict. There we go, we got 1 life, and we're gonna get the next one. 3 more fruits. There we go. Because the pork chop thing, or whatever it is worth 10 fruits, basically. And again, let's go naked for now. Oh, come on. I think I'm about to speedrun. Speedrun hype. Ugh. Always has to ruin my... Just ruin my run. There we go. Now I'm definitely playing better now. Boss fight. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'll have it replaced afterwards. There we go. Which one should I go for? This one. Yeah, baby! 3 lives! Nice. And there has to be another life here somewhere. There we go. There it is. Nice. We got another dinosaur because I'm gonna blow this up on purpose. There we go. Moo! Moo, sucker, moo! There we go. Let's go. Let's kill this boss in 10 seconds or less. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds! 3 seconds it took me to kill that boss. That's because I know the strategy. I love how the game starts off very easy at first. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I think it's much better than Mario 2, personally. I wasn't a Mario kid. I wasn't about Mario. I never played Mario when I was a kid. I never played Mario 2 or... hang on. No. Never played Mario 2 or Mario 3. another egg. Okie dokie. Oh, wow! Another 3 lives! That's fantastic, 12 lives. That's awesome. Well, I mean, yeah, it was built for the same generation of the consoles, you know, so yeah. This game was fantastic. This game was fantastic. So, hang on. I'm gonna go with this guy. Here we go, here we go. What just happened? What just killed me? Something just killed. I don't know what it was. What was it? Why did I lose my dinosaur? I need to rewatch the stream. I have no idea what just happened. That never happened before. No! I don't know what killed my dinosaur. I got very distracted and I don't know what happened. I missed out on the clock. Hurry! 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 But anyway, I could afford to lose a life at least because... And I'm about to get another life actually. There we go. I got my life back, so... I got my dinosaur back. This game is fantastic, bosses. Alright, so I stage again. I need to take care of the blue one because I only have... These are the rarest. No, actually the rarest are the pterodactyl. We haven't mapped them yet. We only get like 2 in the whole game. There we go, this is it. Have a great time, island! Alright, skip the island. There are some islands that's worth skipping, some of them not. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna go with this dino, let's go. I hate this level, it's kind of boring. Nothing exciting happens in this level. And there's gonna be there's only one secret here in this level. I'm not gonna die. As if. Haha. I need to get the egg. Ah! No! Anyway, whatever. Oh, this guy. He's gonna jump? Okay, how are we gonna do this? No. Because I don't have a weapon, so because you finish the level without a weapon, you get 2,000 points. Okay. Whew. Again, ice cavern. And okay. Alright, can I pull this off? No! I looked at my phone vibrated. Let's go. Alright, this is where I messed up last time, and I'm not gonna mess up again. I promise. It's funny how I promised I'm not gonna worry about the egg, because it's distracting. I'm sure there's a secret here somewhere. I'm just looking for it. Not here. Is it here? Yep. Here we go, here we go. Oh, nice. Ooh, we're getting the rarest dinosaur. The rarest dinosaur of this game. You can only get like 2, like I said. Here we go. Oh, it's so cute. And we're gonna go back here. Back here. Come on, back here. Oh, what do we get? Hold on. I'm gonna get it actually. So I'll preserve the other one. The other one went back into the inventory now. Oopsie. Nice. Alright, I don't know what to expect with this one. I may have to need this one. And this one. Let's go. With this one you can swim faster in the water, otherwise without it. And you can pop bubbles as well. Bubbles can trap you inside. And you can waste time in there. You can spend time and your timer runs out. I'm running this on emulator, but I own the copies of this game. Actually, I think I own it. I own 2 copies of this game. I own it for the Famicom and the actual... Whew, look at that! 1 left. Only 1 left. Ooh, I was gonna die very soon. Alright, so... going back with this one. Boom. Is there something here? No? I'm getting hungry. I hope my chicken defrosted, because... wow, I missed 3 times. And no. Skateboard! Ooh, yeah, baby! Oh, there's a secret here. Ooh, by accident I discovered it. By accident. Choose an egg. Oh man, I could use the health right now. Okay, we got another dinosaur. Fair enough. Oh! Serves me right. I'm about to get my life back anyway, so... let's go. There we go, got my life back. Is that my first death of the game so far? It has to be. Oh, come on, man. I messed up. Stupid. Wasn't there a secret here? Or here? Yeah, there we go. Ooh, a red one. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I love it. Alright. Nice. I got it back. Oh, I lost it. Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Let's go. Whew, look at that! Again. Wow, look at that. Just on 1. Alright, I need to be fast because I'm slowing down. Alright, boss fight, and this one has a lot of jumps and platforming, so I'm gonna go with this one and this one. Let's go. Be careful. Actually, I think I made a mistake coming with this dinosaur, but whatever. I should have gotten the pterodactyl. I would have flown. Oh, come on. Oh, you see? My crystal broke. So that means I would have lost a life. Oh, there's something here, actually. No. I'm pretty sure there was something here. No? Wow. Okay. I don't like this. I might die. Oh, no, 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 no! Look at that! Look at that! So close! Oh, man. So close! Alright. I'm trying to think how to go. Hey! Timothy! Hey, V4. Alright, let's go again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with this. And... no, come on, I can do it. I don't need the crystal, come on. I just need to be careful. The problem is, I'm sure there's a milk carton here somewhere, but I don't know where it is. Alright, never mind. This was easier like this. Alright, let's go. Yeah, definitely easier. Wow, definitely easier. The problem is, I wanted to lose the dinosaur on purpose. I wanted to lose the dinosaur because it's easier. Actually, should I die on purpose? Should I? There we go, better. Much better like that. Let's go. Whew! Look at Gideon gambling. Don't gamble, man. Gambling's bad for you. Okay, here we go. Alright, can I do this? Can I pull this off? Oh! I was gonna die, I think. Did you see how close that was to me? I think I was gonna die. Third island down. Fourth island. Right? Yep. Alright, so, I'm not so sure how to go about this one. Let's see. Oof. Okay, we got this, we got this. Hup, 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 hup. No, 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 no. Alright. Maybe I should go with this one? I think it's better this one. No! Oh man, I'm being I'm being careless. Oh man, and I think I'm gonna ruin a crystal as well. Oh man. Oh man! I'm being careless. The thing is, the game stresses you out because you need to rush. Because my health starts going down. There we go, got the life back at least. Oh! I thought I was gonna make it, I thought. Oof. There we go. Whoop! We made it. There we go. True. True, just retweeted my stream. And I think that he doesn't have internet. He's like, I'll have internet tomorrow. Oh man, I miss you. You may have to set up Outbreak again, just like me. Hey, we can set it up together. We can set up a stream, setting it up. That's not good. That's not good for me. Maybe there's something here. No. Whoa! How does a boulder go uphill? That is the question. There's gonna be a bird that deposits an egg. There we go. And I like the blue ones. Blue ones are my favorite. No! No! Oh, that happened so fast. That escalated quickly. No. That's okay. There you go again. No! No! Oh, come on, man! Seriously? How does something like that happen so fast? Alright, let's go. Oh no, this guy. No! Oh man! I'm being cocky. Whoa! That's okay. Oh yeah, baby! Is there a trick here? I was sure of it. Okay. Oh man, this. Can I do this? Can I pull this off? Ah, well. 8 lives. We still have 8 lives. I said no continues, okay? Alright, now this, I need to be careful. There's a way to skip this. There's a way to skip this island. I need to be careful. No! Oh, man. Wow. I'm not the pro I used to be. Oh, come on, I did shoot! It required 2 hits. Oh, man. I don't want to use this guy, because there's a secret here somewhere. Ah, did you see that? How cheap? I think it's a level skip. Red raid? Really? Feisty! Hello! Yes, it is a red raid. Space Ninja! Oh, no, I was looking at the raid! No, I lost... do I skip? I'm not so sure where to go from here. Hold on. Alright. Yes, good. I did the right thing. Yes, I did the right thing. Hello, Red! And Lazy C! Hello. Nice to see you all. I'm playing something very old, something very retro. I don't usually do this, but I felt nostalgic today, so why not? I lost all my red dinosaurs. You know what? I don't deserve a dinosaur. I killed many of them, so I'm just gonna go naked. And if I want to know if there's a secret, I'm just keep spamming. Ugh. How are you, Mr. Red? Uh-oh. What were you playing, Red? Some Pokemon? Or some... You play something else besides Pokemon as well sometimes. You play like some... Arma, I think? Was it Arma? No. Can I do this? Okay, well, I did, but... Is there something here? No? Yes, one more live. No, nothing there. Come on, Froggy. Okay, there's something here for sure. No, nothing. Hey, Froggy. I'm not used to playing a game not looking at chat, but if I do, I'll miss out. Oh, so close. Poof. CSGO. Alright, yeah, you play that too. I forgot. Yeah, that's right. Cascade! Hello! Nice to see. Oh man, this stage. Oh man. Trying to think the best way. I forgot this stage though. Misty Haze. Dun, 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 dun. I should go with the. Yeah, in this game you can kill clouds. Oh! No, 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 no! And the clouds can kill you as well. Dun, 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 dun. There has to be something here. Maybe a secret? No? No secret for me? I'm sure there is. I'm sure there is, but I don't have... Uh-oh. Ah! No! Serves me right. I'm doing great, as you can see. I'm sure there's a secret here somewhere, but I'm just gonna keep running. No! No! Stupid, that's cheap. That's cheap of you. No! Man, it's not going well. Did you see that? I should have died. Always, he always gets me. That cheater. And I don't carry... I don't know why I'm not carrying an axe with me, but whatever. Oh man, I said I wouldn't do continues, but... The thing is, even if I do continues now, I cannot recuperate the dinosaurs I got from the first island! Always! Always! Every single time! And every single time I also forget to bring an axe. So, I'm doing it again. Bye, have a great time! This is hard. But we do it! Without an axe. Wow. Alright, boss fight. Now this... I need a dinosaur. Oh, and I don't have a dinosaur. This is gonna be nasty. What if I go with this guy? Let's see. Oh, come on. I should get another dinosaur here somewhere. There we go. Nice. And I don't think I have an axe, so I should be okay as well. Come on. Should I, Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Oh man, that's not a good weapon. That's not a good weapon! No, that's not a good weapon. I'm not gonna do this. I cannot kill this boss with that weapon. No. I've done it before, but... It's so hard. I can't do this. It's impossible. I'm gonna have to do it one hit at a time. With patience. Whew. There I got alive. Oh! I was facing the other way. Dang it. That's okay. Oh, actually, I can hit him from... No! I lost my dino. Oh! Oh! problem. No problemo. Now I know better. Now I know better. Come on! Eee! Because I need to be careful. Just need to be careful, buddy. I'm not gonna go up there. You see, it was a trap up there to get the boomerang. Now it's gonna be so much better with the axe because the axe has, you can actually have an angle. See that? Ouch! That was not good, but anyway, still good. Hold on. I'm gonna go down. Not good. Oh, come on! Oh! So cheap. I got another life though. My hands are so sweaty. Oh, no! That's not gonna end well. Ah! Come on, can we do this? We need an axe. There we go. Give me the axe. Alright. I think I better go down. I'm gonna risk it. Well, not exactly, but... Crap! I'm gonna risk it. Nice! 4 lives left. That would have been so much easier if I had the sea lion or whatever it is. There is a way to skip this island, I'm sure of it. It would have been great to have a red dinosaur right now. Well, of course, yeah, why not? No! Oh, no! Oh, man! That's my bad for taking the challenge. The game was like, are you up for a challenge? And I'm like, yeah. Challenge accepted. Oh! Man. No! Oh, rip. Rip. Oh, man. This game is making me rage, huh? I don't know why I went with the arrow, with the axe again. Bye. I don't need that. I don't know how I'm gonna do this though. I did. Alright, this is... Ah! Oh, come on! I miss having the red one. This is it. Last life. And bye, have a great time. That's it. That's it. I'm raging. I'm not gonna do that. Should I try again? Should I try again? Should I try one more time? Yeah, I'm gonna try again. Oh, continue. But continue. Nah, without my dinosaurs. I don't know why I did this. I don't know how I did that. Oh, come on, man. No, I'm not even trying now. I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna reset the game. I'm tempted to do it with the save states, but no. I'm getting hungry. Wow, it's 9 PM. That's it. This is it. I'm gonna keep playing until I die, and that's it. I call the stream and I need to cook some chicken because I'm hungry. Let's go. I tried. I'm gonna stop being cocky. I'm gonna try to play this seriously. Nice. No! Now I'm playing better. No! That was close. I didn't care about the dinosaur. Maybe I should have cared, but whatever. No, I missed one! I didn't get perfect, I missed an orange. There we go, 1, 2. I died a lot here before, so I better not repeat the mistake. Oh, come on, I did it! And now I don't have... Okay. I didn't have a weapon. Oh, come on. These guys don't shoot when you don't have a weapon, so that's a plus. Oh, come on. I'm gonna die! Might as well die with the snail, or whatever it is. Is it a snail? I don't know. Oh, I was really close to the end when I died there, dear. Whew. Found something. I could have used that, that's good. Eee! How cheap. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. Ah! No, wrong dinosaur. No! No! Serves me right. I was meant to go with this. Let's go. I don't like defeating this monster with it's gonna take forever like this. No! That happened so fast! Oh, you're kidding me? Where did it go? Oh, crap! Rage quit very soon. Rage quit very soon. There, rage quit very soon. Yeah, rage quit. Bye. I'm gonna go. That's enough. No, this is gonna. I just ruined my chances of finishing this level successfully. Even though I have all these dinosaurs, it's not gonna matter now. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna cook some chicken. Thank you to everyone who stopped by this mini stream. I just felt like playing this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you. Hang on. Probably Sunday. Sunday I'm gonna do something for sure. Something late at night. My late at night. I'll see you next time. Ciao.